getting any?
Yeah, I just got a bit of flash over there. Oop.
Just keep focused over there. It's lightning. Fork lightning.
Oh, that was big in.
You get that?
Oh yeah. Zooming in. Oh! Flipping heck.
Does it do noises as well?
Yeah.
How?
So, yes, what you're hearing is thunder.
And Samuel.
And Samuel speaking. Oh, just missed that. That's good.
Sorry about
Shut up.
That was me, Sammy. Not who said shut up. The one who said sorry.
Ooh, high voltage. Whoa.
That was...
Wow, that's the biggest one I've seen so far.
It does like triple. That's making
Little
noises.
babies must be terrified. Oh, missed it.
If you keep focused over there, more over there. This. We're in Turkey at the minute.
Oh,
On our
yeah.
holiday. Very good holiday.
Relaxation.
Yeah. Watching the thunder.
Come on, sparkle. Oh!
Whoa.
I'm
Saw
watching
that
it on
in
this,
the
not on that.
Same. But I accidentally, it basically better on this. It's like,
What do you mean? I'm looking at this. You're not looking at it.
yeah, I was, but then it's like,
Oh,
that little scar.
big sheet. They brought in the tables down there.
Don't be going down there. Up here.
Up, up, up. Oh. Where's it?
It's at night at the minute.
Well, duh. Come on, Forky.
It's like Dad's farts.
Oh, whoa!
I didn't see that.
Didn't see it. What are you
No,
doing?
I saw the flash, but I...
Oh, yeah, that's not seeing it, is it?
I was looking
It's better there than over there. There, here, than over there.
Yeah, we you get lightning over here. What?
We have a nervous crowd here. Extremely nervous with the tension of the lightning. Especially my little... Whoa! That's like blue.
That's a double ender.
That was blue, that one.
No.
Imagine if it was purple lightning.
That would be like...
That'd be scary. I'd be like, whoa, mutation. Whoa.
Where are they going down there?
I'm getting closer.
Oh, yeah, don't see the bone. Oh, lightning on me. Ah! What was that?
Oh, that's like a sun. Blue sun of the night.
You can like see all the
I wonder
sea.
how far away that is.
Maybe 50 to 100 miles. No, because it's on the horizon, isn't it? Yes, it's about 50 miles or something.
That's like
Flicker.
right there. Hey, oh yeah. This is love, this is love. Can you feel it?
Whoa!
That's right up there.
Well, I could go on to making this video all night, but we haven't got all night really, have we? So, yeah, later.